Have you also encountered such a situation? Aging equipment, high maintenance costs, and prone to failure. If we face such challenges every day, it will affect production efficiency and waste costs. What should we do? Get a great idea now. ASEANMACHINE can help us easily deal with all of this. Search for ASEANMACHINE. ASEANMACHINE is a supply platform focusing on mechanical products, consumables, and precision tools. ASEANMACHINE has a strict supplier screening system, ensuring both quality and service are guaranteed. ASEANMACHINE offers localized services with a local team, free delivery, quick turnaround, and technical support. Register for free membership and enjoy many privileges. For instance, in after-sales maintenance, 12 months of maintenance for new equipment and 3 months for old equipment. Besides that, ASEANMACHINE also provides precision machining services and products, and we also offer customization services. ASEANMACHINE helps us save time and costs while enhancing production efficiency. So how to find ASEANMACHINE? Besides searching on websites, you can also find us on social media. Feel free to subscribe. Wouldn't you like to register as a user of ASEANMACHINE now?